Solve without pen. Problem 159. Step by step. The vertex of the rectangle is located on the circle. Two sides touch the circle. The straight line is drawn through these 2 points. The distance from the vertex to the line 9, 4. Find the area of the rectangle. Solution. Draw the red and the blue segments. Denote angles alpha and beta. Then the blue segment is 4 over sine alpha, the red 4 over beta. Now we can express the horizontal and the vertical sides of the rectangle. Note that angles defined by the same arc are equal, so the horizontal side is the blue segment by sine beta, and the vertical side is the red segment by sine alpha. The area of the rectangle is 4 by 4 or 16.
Stuart?